Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a sweet 1967 Pontiac GTO. Very cool car, guys. A buddy of mine out of North Carolina is one who actually found this car for me. And we bought it from an older woman. I believe he said she's owned this car, or her and her husband owned this car for 24 years. Super cool car. When I say it's got some things that we walk through, I'll show you in the video. Again, older restoration, very, very well maintained, factory Cameo Ivory white car, factory blue interior. We do have all the PHS for it. It's got the matching numbers, 400 cubic inch engine in it, 400 trans, stock rear end with a safety track gear. Nice car. As the lady told my buddy as he was driving it away, this is Thelma. That's her name. Said we can name it something else, but name her something else, but that was her name while they owned it. Rock solid North Carolina body. I think the car was actually originally from Florida, but all original body panels, just as clean as you could ever ask for on a GTO underneath, I will tell you that. Now, as I walk around, I'm going to show you some things. Now, I have not messed with this, and I've left it alone. This is your original painted on pinstripe. You see it's got some fading to it. You could take that off if you want to. I thought it was an awesome conversation piece, and I didn't want to mess with it because I know there's some guys out there that will love that. There's a couple little marks in the paint, some touch-ups. Again, it's an older restoration, so you can nitpick the car a little. But if you've been looking for 67 GTOs, it's hard to find them like this. Very, very nice car. I know, yep, it's got a, you can see it's chip in the paint there that's been touched up. And again, I didn't want to mess with this car a whole lot. Sorry guys, there's a lot of dust out here. We're shooting on the side, and we're remodeling our building, so there's just stuff everywhere. But great car, runs and drives excellent. Really just a good car. Again, sorry, that's just dust, guys. '66 and 67 GTOs have become very, very hard for me to find. Heck, everything's getting hard for me to find, to be honest with you, affordable. But like I say, I left this car alone. I didn't want to monkey with it a whole lot just because of what it is. I thought the story was cool, man. When my buddy called me and said that the car's name was Thelma and that we were welcome to rename it if we wanted to, but I thought that was super cool. The chrome, the stainless is very, very nice on this car. Again, all original body panels, original quarters. And when you see the pictures of the underside of this car, this thing is rock solid, man. Factory air car. The air does work. Might need a little charge. I'll see if I can get my my guy John over here and put a can of the Freon in it. Yeah, I like this car a lot, guys. I think this car is just super cool. It's got the factory Rally 2s on it. Cooper Cobras all the way around it. Again, matching numbers, 400 cubic inch engine, stock 4-barrel, stock exhaust manifold, stock intake. It's got the correct chrome valve covers on it, the correct air cleaner, power steering, power brakes, and air. And like I say, that air does work. It kicks on, blows cold, but it feels like you get a little colder, if you know what I mean. like this car a lot, man. 67s, I love the front grills on these cars. I think they're so cool. Those grills to me are just super cool. 66 has got a little bit cooler taillight. It's got the eyebrows on the taillight. I like that. But 67 front grille, man, I just love. I've ordered new floor mats for the car. They're on the way. The stock rubber mats for it. Again, glass is nice. Look how nice that dash is in there. These people love this car. Look how nice the A-pillar chrome is. Original mirror. Those door handles look great. I gotta believe they've been replaced. Just rock solid body. Bucket seats, console, factory his and hers, factory Hurst, his and hers shifter. It's got all the correct seat belts in it. You can nitpick the steering wheel, but that is original. Factory dash, showing 22,807. I'm sure that's 122. Factory AM radio. Again, I've ordered the new mats for it. It's dual exhaust, 10 bolt 293, safety track rear end. Does have front and rear sway bars. Factory jack with the spare. Again, this is all your PHS documentation. It's all spackle coated in the trunk like it should be. We do have this bar for the deck lid doesn't want to stay up, but we do have the bar for it. We'll see if we can get it put in there. This is a good quality car, man. You can tell somebody's had this car and just loved it. And like I say, when you get underneath this thing, crawl all over this thing. Rock solid body. And I'll tell you what, I wouldn't be afraid to get in this thing, turn the key, and drive it anywhere. Really good car. I'll bet you that interior is all original. Look how nice the wood grain is. Like I say, the console's gorgeous. I mean, your little console light works. This is just a good car. But the only thing I'd do is, to be honest, I'd have that steering wheel refurbished. You go ahead, Jordan. Again, look how nice the A-pillar chrome is. Yeah, runs and drives awesome. Say air kicks on, it's all, and it does blow cold, guys. Great running 400, man. Yeah, I like this car a lot. And again, these 66, 67s are getting so hard for me to get. Not much for gauges, fuel gauge, but it does work. Oh, we got a light bulb out on this side. If I remember, I think it does work. I bet you we just wiggle it. Your blinker's still on this side, Jordy. There you go. Car sounds good. Does that radio come on? No. Lower motor does work. Solid car. No on the wipers, we'll check those. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that. There should be a little button to click on. That way you get a notification every time I post one of these new videos. Yeah, we'll check that brake light. That's a good car right there. Have a great day, guys.